In class 12, in geography, you are going to study about human geography and commercial geography. Previous year in class 11th, you studied physical geography of the world and India. There are different branches of geography which you have studied in class 11th. It might be geomorphology, it might be climatology, it might be oceanography, it might be settlement geography, it might be political geography, it might be human geography, commercial geography. This year, in class 12, we are studying human geography. It is actually that branch of geography which deals with human interaction with nature. Whatever has been the result of the human interaction with nature, whatever has been produced, whatever has been developed by human intellect and knowledge and their understanding of nature by coming in interaction with nature, and whatever infrastructure, whatever institutions have been developed by understanding the natural phenomena and adopting it, is actually the subject matter of human geography. You all understand that the earth comprises of two major components: nature and physical environment. Nature, that is physical environment, and the second, life forms, which includes human beings also. The core concern of geography as a discipline is to understand the earth as a home of human beings, and also to study all those elements which have played or plays an important role in sustaining them. Geography as a subject has its main emphasis on the study of nature and its interactions with human beings. In a way, you can say that human geography is the study of human interaction with nature and its outcome. Whatever you see around you, for example, the school building in which you sit and get informations about different subject matters, has been constructed by what nature has provided us. The bricks, the steel rods, the wooden doors, whatever you see, the benches on which you are sitting is made up of metal and wood and different other materials. The AC that has been fitted over there, which makes the atmosphere in the classroom comfortable, is actually the product of human interaction with nature and the understanding of the environment and the natural phenomena, which actually has resulted in developing these technologies through which we have been able to understand the phenomena of nature, and we have been able to develop such things which have made our life more comfortable and easier. These are actually the subject matter of human geography. So it will be better to say, and it will be correct also to say, that human geography is a study of human interaction with nature and its outcome. Even Ratzel, the eminent German geographer, defined it as human geography is the synthetic study of relationship between human societies and the Earth's surface. Human geography as a subject can be categorized into different fields, like social geography, urban geography, political geography, population geography, and also settlement geography and economic geography. Human geography studies the interrelationship between physical environment and socio-cultural environment created by human beings through mutual interaction with each other. We have developed various elements. We have created many things which has made our life easier, better, and comfortable by understanding the nature. Whether the different type of houses that we see, villages, cities, roads, rail networks, industries, farms, ports, items of daily use, and all other elements of material culture have been created by human beings using the resources provided by the physical environment. In a way, you can say that human beings, by developing these technologies and techniques of having a bit of control over, which help in having a bit of control over the natural phenomena with the environment, has in a way greatly modified human beings, and also human beings have been able to modify nature to some extent by using the techniques and technologies that it had developed.